Okay, traders, one more of these desktop shoots coming at you, and then I promise I will get in front of a camera. This video coming at you on a Wednesday night for trading Thursday, September 23rd, 2021. Please remember the risk involved in trading futures, options, you name it. Place stops first, place stops always, place stops early, never trade without them. All right, so I will see you all at livewithoscar.com if you want to join me. Here's the deal. Cousin Jerome did his job. This was a must-hold area. Cousin Jerome came out on Wednesday after the two-day Fed meeting, or the FOMC meeting, did his little rain dance, and what did we do? We held back above the average. Outside green bar. Looks good to me. Omni finally goes green. First green Omni signal I have gotten since up here. It's been all red, then a neutral call, then all red. Finally, a green signal from Omni for trading Wednesday night through Thursday, and I am going with it. Traders, all the rest happens at livewithoscar.com. Free trading room, no credit cards required. I'll see you there. Please like, share these videos all over the internet. Show them to your friends, and please, please, if you don't mind, subscribe to these videos. All right, kids, remember, put your stops in and keep your emotional decisions out of trading. Good luck on Thursday. Join me in my trading room. I will see you all at livewithoscar.com.